once again. Horses out. We have Summer Gear. Pass to begin. Moving up on the outside. Now is Marta's Magic. About 7 wide. La Sombra. In the middle is Hoy. Tama na. Black Magic is racing in Pipa. Glance of the Wind. Shadow Grove. Heroine and Regent Skipper in that order. As they leave the straight, we have Summer Gear enjoying a length lead. Right behind in second is La Sombra. Moving up on the outside now to take to this Black Magic. Marta's Magic is by the Relport. Then followed by Hoy Tamana. Glance of the Wind, Shadow Grove, Heroine, and Regent Skipper is still racing in last. As they swing down the bank, Summer Gear by about a length and a half. Black Magic now moving up to take second. And in third comes La Sombra. Moving up, Glance of the Wind in fourth. Marta's Magic drives back in Pipa. And in sixth, Hoy Tamana, Shadow Grove. Summer Gear still in front by about 2 lengths. Black Magic now coming closer in second. Moving up now to take to his Glance of the Wind. La Sombra drives back in fourth. Summer Gear still in front by about 3/4 of a length. Moving up on the outside now is Black Magic. Glance of the Wind as they come down at the last 200. Summer Gear still in front. Moving up on the outside is Black Magic. But still Summer Gear. Black Magic is on the outside. Summer Gear. Black Magic is on the outside. And finally it's a close finish. Black Magic, Summer Gear.
Parang Jackie Valdelena, parang alam mo, nagsasangag.
Ikaw kasi, sabi mo medyo
Pinakitaan lang ako Talaga naman lately, medyo inaalat. Pero although close finish nga tayo, between Black Magic and Summer Gear, no? Tapos tunesero nga, La Sombra, then Heroine, yung ating pang-quartet. Okay, at naghahanda lang tayo ng ating slow-mo. Ito si Jackie Apoy Asuncion, ang Romenda kay Summer Gear. Doing 18.5, 24.5, 25, 29, 137 ang preba ni Black Magic or Summer Gear. Kung read my lips yung nasasabihin ni kanina, kung mababasa mo sinabi ni Apoy, ni AP Asuncion, parang basa ko lang.
Basa ko lang.
Inabot, sabi niya. Parang sabi niya lang inabot. Asan kaya si Bal? Yan, si Bal. Ito si Bal. Yan, no? No. No. Kanina sabi ni Apoy, inabot. Ito naman si Bal, ano sasabihin? Wala. Wala sasabihin, umabot.
Pinagdala sa Air21
Yes.
At eto, matututukan dito yung dalawa nang naglalaban sa unahan.
Ito nga yung sinasabi natin, right from the start of the race, silang dalawa na lang. At true enough, hanggang sa pagsapit na ng ating meta, napagtsagaan actually ni Bal. Talagang lahat ng distansya, ginagawa na ni Bal. Exactly naman. No, ha? Naging protagonist yun sa kanyang sakal.
This slow-mo replay is brought to you by Katialis Ointment and Medicated Soap. Para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Katialis.
Tingnan uli natin.
Dito, magkakaroon na sila ng idea dito. Yan, no? Show the whip. Ba?
Ayun, yun eh.
Yun nga